When a customer reports an issue with a product or equipment, the response needs to be fast, clear, and controlled. With Field Service on the mobile app, the entire process begins immediately. We create a new service call by first selecting the customer, then choosing the appropriate ship to address. We can also define the call type, whether it is warranty, maintenance, installation, or another service category, so the job is properly classified from the beginning. If the customer has provided a related PO number, we can enter it at this stage as well, ensuring all commercial and reference information is captured clearly before the job is created. Then we select the product that has the issue and record a brief description of the problem. As soon as we save it, the system automatically generates a service job. Normally, this job would appear in the job pool for technicians to review and pick up, but in this case it's urgent, so we assign a technician directly. Now, on the technician's mobile device, the job immediately appears under My Jobs. There are no phone calls and no printed work orders, just real-time visibility. The technician opens the job and taps Start, and time tracking begins instantly. Before starting the repair, they complete a quick job safety analysis. If there are additional hazards observed on-site, they can record them right away, ensuring everything is properly documented. If replacement parts are needed, materials can be issued directly from the app, and the technician can either select the part manually or simply scan the part number to add it quickly and accurately. All of this information is captured in real time, ensuring the job record and inventory remain updated. After the work is completed, the technician fills out the service form. This form can be fully configured based on your company's specific requirements, whether you need a simple checklist, detailed inspection fields, compliance confirmations, or industry-specific data points. It ensures your team captures exactly the information your business needs, consistently and accurately. The technician can also take on-site photos and attach them directly to the job, creating clear documentation of both the issue and the completed work. Both the technician and the customer sign on the device for final verification. No paper, no scanning, no delays. The technician then records the end time to complete the labor tracking for the job. If any adjustments are needed, for example, correcting the actual working time, they can easily update the labor details before finalizing. Once the time and job details are confirmed, a service report can be generated and printed immediately, providing a clear summary of the work carried out during the visit. After that, the technician enters the final resolution details, clearly describing the actions taken. All of the information recorded on the mobile app is then available in Epicor, allowing the office team to access and review the service activity without needing any additional data entry. In Epicor, you can open the complete service job and drill down into its related details to clearly see what happened on site. The completed service forms and any on-site photos taken by the technician are stored within the job record itself, creating a detailed and organized history of the work performed. This allows you to review inspection results, checklist responses, measurement entries, and any additional notes captured during the visit. The supporting images are attached directly to the job, making it easy to verify the equipment condition before and after service, validate completed tasks, and provide clear documentation for internal review or customer reference. Meanwhile, the technician and customer signatures are attached directly to the service call, serving as formal confirmation that the work has been completed and acknowledged by both parties. These signatures are captured digitally at the time of completion and stored within the call record, creating a clear and time-stamped verification of a service visit. Finally, once the call is closed on the mobile app, an invoice is automatically created in Epicor based on the actual labor hours and materials recorded during the service. Because the billing information comes directly from the completed job transactions, it reflects the true work performed on site. The invoice can then be reviewed, verified, and processed by the finance team on Epicor without the need to manually re-enter service details, helping ensure accuracy and consistency between field activity and billing. From the moment the service call is created through to the final invoice generation, the information captured in the field stays aligned with the records in the system. Each step, from job assignment and execution to documentation and billing, follows a connected flow, helping your team manage service activities with greater clarity, consistency, and control.